To all the men, I want you to gather here and listen carefully, because I have remedy for you here. This remedy is going to help you. With your health, it will flush a lot of things, a lot of sugar from your body. But I want you to pay attention and listen carefully. Please, try to get a pot like this, all right? A saucepan or a pot, clean one, small one, right? Now, this is the onion you need. Especially this onion, these two onions. You see, this one, this onion can help you. Yes, we have garlic here. You know, men have a lot of sickness inside. But there is this particular sickness. They think this sickness cannot cure. I will tell you this sickness can cure. Prostate cancer. And for men that have low sperm count, pay attention on this video. Men that cannot pregnated woman, you know, you give belly, you cannot give belly. Pay attention on this remedy. If you do this, don't just do it one time and leave it. No, you have to continue with it. All right? Now go to the supermarket or go to the market, buy this onion, go home, buy your garlic. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 garlic here. Peel this 2 onion, chop it bit by bit, put it inside your pot with water. This garlic, you're going to clean it like this, right? Remove the skin, leave the garlic like this, chop it bit by bit, put it inside this pot of water and boil it. Let it cook, let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. It will be well prepared. After you finish, listen carefully, shift the water. You are going to drink that water every single day, 1 glass. Yes, not a big glass, small glass, but every single day. Drink it in the morning, warm it, drink it in an empty stomach. You will see what will happen. Whatever thing you have inside, it will flush out. You have a lot of sugar, it will flush out. You cannot, perform well in bed, you perform well in bed. This onion can even help you cures your heart. Yes, don't joke with this. You see garlic? Garlic is one of the natural remedy men should always take. So don't forget, I don't want to make this video long. I'll be coming time to time to put remedy for men, all right? Go ahead and drink it, all right? Drink it for 7 days and see. Warm it every day. Or you turn it, if you have a flax, turn it inside your flax, okay? Be drinking it. Or if you can blend the onion and the garlic, if you can blend 1 garlic, half onion, put clean water, be drinking it, it's all good. It will flush you out, a lot of bacteria, and that low sperm count will be good. That prostate cancer, it will just vanish. All right? Go ahead and do this. Thank me later.